If you're living in your comfort zone, then you aren't growing. Discomfort, it's just a natural part of the creative and the growth process. Growth is painful because it forces us to face the unknown and to break free from that stability that makes us feel safe. And boy, this week, I totally stepped outside my comfort zone. If you stick around to the end of the video, you'll get to check that out. But lately, I've just been thinking a lot about comfort and growth. Moreover, how comfortable I have been feeling in my life lately. You know, the job is going well. The van is functioning for the most part as it should. Keeps me warm and safe. Kids are doing well. All seems well. It all seems comfortable. But how am I growing? Am I moving towards my goals? Am I showing up in the world as the person I want to be? Or am I just doing what's comfortable? I feel like I've been enjoying the comfort a little too much lately. You know, I started this van life to take more of a minimalistic approach to living, and in turn, freeing up more time for me to focus on me. In this tiny space I call my home, it's easy to clean, it's easy to take care of. And that just frees up my time to focus on what really matters to me. Things like improving my music, improving my physical health, and most importantly, my mental health. Am I showing up for myself with those in mind? I feel like I've just been letting it all slide lately. I'm not really eating the way I should. I'm not eating a diet that I know would make me feel better. It's just too much junk food, too many easy meals that I didn't make myself, and all of it is just leaving me feeling drained and bloated and unmotivated. And the worst of all, leaves me craving more of the crappy processed foods that have been just creating this situation. You know, and I'm playing my guitar every day, but really, am I pushing myself to improve those techniques that I use while playing? Or am I just playing the same old songs that feel comfortable? Am I pushing myself to better my singing voice so that I'll feel more comfortable bringing my creativity and my art out to the world? I don't think that I have been. And as a result, my mental health has been suffering. That depression slowly creeps in as I sit there, knowing that there's things I should be doing, but instead I'm just playing the video games and watching YouTube videos of others living their best life. Dreaming inside my head of a life that I want for myself, but not birthing that into the physical world. Well, this is the Sturgeon Weir River. This is the other side of the lake from where Denair Beach is, where my cabin is, my home base, whatever you want to say. It's actually, I don't know if you can see it over here, and right there it says Denair Beach, 30 kilometers away. I don't know. I just wanted to come down here. I thought I might come down here and roast some hot dogs. There's a little day use area here. There's actually a campsite there that's not plowed into it. There's an overnight campsite just a little bit up the ways. There's a day use area here. You could see that shelter there. There's a barbecue and stuff. So I brought some firewood. I thought I'd roast some hot dogs, but I don't know, on the way here I kind of wandered down a road and I found a little clearing, and I think instead of roasting hot dogs here, we're gonna go boondock. We're gonna go spend the night there. Looks like a little place that people are maybe dropping off skidoos and going trail riding. I'm not sure, but it's plowed open. There's no sign saying no overnight parking, and it's Sunday night. I don't think anybody's gonna stop in. I don't think anyone's gonna see me. I'm gonna leave first thing in the morning. Sky's overcast, but it's supposed to be a full moon tonight. So let's go boondock. As I sit here tonight around the campfire, I just can't help but think about the full moon tonight. Signaling the end of one cycle and the beginning of a new. My thoughts drift to how I was in this last month, how I could have done things differently, and what improvements would I have made had I been given the chance to go back and do it again. How can I focus on those changes that I would have made and carry them into the new cycle as I move forward? I think of the changes I'd like to make to my diet, to my physical appearance, how I'd like to shed a few pounds, how I'd like to show up better for myself and take better care of myself. I think of the goals that I wish to accomplish, how I'd like to improve my music and get better on stage. Last week, there was a jam session at the Lonnie Social Club. So I went down there and I bit the bullet. I performed. I hadn't done a lot of preparation, just played songs that I've been playing for years. But it was good to just get up on stage, take that one step closer to that goal of being a better musician, feel that discomfort, get out of my comfort zone, experience the growth. As nervous as I was and as much as I fumbled through the songs, it was just good to get up on that stage and feel the connection that you get between you and the audience as you play your music. It wasn't the best performance I've ever done, but it was an honest one. So here's a video clip of one of the songs I performed. It's a public domain song, so I should be okay from copyright hits. It's called St. James Infirmary, and it's played the way I like to play it.
Okay, this one's, I've never actually performed this one. This one, it's a song called St. James Infirmary. This is totally one of my own renditions. Like, I don't think it really sounds anything like the original, but... down to St. James Infirmary to see my baby there, and she was laid out on a long black table, so cold, so dead, so fair. Let her go, God bless her, wherever she may be, and she can look this whole world and never meet another man like me. Now when I die, put me in a big black coffin, say lace shoes and Stetson hat, put a coin of a gold piece on my watch chain, so the boys on the night send it back, and give me a six-trap shooting barbarian, let her go